Hey friends, Dan Brzezinski, all about mini bikes. I am here at the swap meet up in Belleville, Michigan, and that's Wayne County. And we'll go in here, get a lot of shots. It's a big swap meet, it happens once a year. Hey, just walking in the parking lot. Check this out. A whole lot more of that I'm going to show you. Arctic Cat over here. Don't think it's for sale. Maybe just somebody bringing it to show it off. Are also here or not. He's always got this bike out at the swap meet. He's just looking for parts. Is there none in though, or?
Yeah,
Probably. There's got to be. See what that is, Ed?
Oh, that's the motor off white?
It's the air two-stroke motor.
That's the motor off his bike. How you sell it?
Check the speedway out over here. It's not for sale. It's really nice.
Look at that.
It's like a Rupp over here.
No, I got rags in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the only bloater nose on it. Ain't like a battery, you know.
What year's your Rupp?
I don't know.
You don't know?
That one is.
What about that speedway? Do you know what year that was?
It's about a 73.
73. What's this one you got back here?
It's got a tag on it up front.
Does
I think JC Penney.
Jason, that's what I'm thinking. It looks like an old Penny's.
Yeah.
Pennies are a Sears.
Penny's or a
Yeah,
Sears?
there you go.
So you just brought them out to show them off?
No, I bought this one off of him.
Oh, did ya?
Yeah, the tag.
What kind of bike is that? Is that an
I don't
Atlas?
know what. I don't know. 'Cause that's what I see whose it is. Who are the guys that I had no idea on that one. I don't know if they got any kind of markings or anything.
They made so many different bikes
Oh.
back in the day, didn't they?
Yeah, I've got old mini bike guide magazines, you know, and mini cycle stuff and mini bike guides from 1970. I cannot believe the amount of bike manufacturers, you know, they just get frames from somebody, throw an engine on it, maybe do a little tweak on it, you know, and call it. Yeah, Sears, Pennies, Montgomery Wards, yeah. Yeah, I remember as a kid going to Bargain City, sitting on theirs. They had them out over there too.
Yep.
Yeah, used to sit and drool over the catalogs, Christmas catalogs, in that one.
Funny, I've met
The guys that got here before me, they're looking at my stuff. Come on, at least get the shit out of my truck first. Come on, Brad. Get out of here. Park deals, okay? Right. Park rate, oh, that's park. Oh, so you're so close in age. Oh, great.
You still got the dirt bike? Oh.
Maybe a year. How's it going, Fred?
Good.